The key to this question is the context keyword surprise. Since Mark is an idol of calmness or equanimity, the correct answer options denoting surprising behavior on his part must mean anything opposite of calmness. Surprised is the keyword to find the answer. Choice B, out of sorts, and choice D, irritable. Both create sentences that indicate that Mark lost his control to remain calm. So these are the correct answers we can predict. We can eliminate choice C, choice E, choice F, because all of them mean for calm from which the sentence detours. Choice A can also be eliminated, which denotes anything overjoyed. So we can eliminate choice A, choice C, choice A, choice C, choice E, and choice F all together. So the correct answers are, according to our prediction, choice B and choice D.